Today I'm going to show you how to create an account on Reddit. You just click at the right top of your web browser and here you see login/sign up. You click on it and then at the bottom it says new to Reddit, sign up. So you click on sign up and here you type an email. I just have a temporary email for now just to show you how it works. So I copy this and paste it in here, and then you just pick a random password. So yes, then you click I am not a robot. Then you just wait for it to create, and then it says your account will be created. Now you got your account. Let's skip this, or you can say how do you identify yourself. So I'm a man. Well, you pick some of your interest like jokes, memes, interesting, and you can add your first channels here. So yeah, let's do this and then continue. You can randomize or you can style your own avatar the way you like. Here you click on continue, and then my home feed's being created to the interest I just give them. And here it says I have to confirm my email, so I have to check my inbox. So I go back to here to my temporary email and I click on the email, and it is actually saying this. So you click on verify email address and there you go, and now it should be verified. Yeah, email verification complete. And now you got your account and you are ready to go and search on Reddit whatever you like.